let's power up your Excel skills. We're going to look at 3 awesome advanced functions today.
Done wrestling with messy spreadsheets? Yeah, me too. You are definitely in the right place. These new tools clean, summarize, and organize your data in seconds. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so here's a classic problem, right? All your important info is just jammed into one column. Meet your new best friend, TEXTSPLIT. It slices that text into clean, separate columns, like magic. And it's super easy. You just point to the text and tell it what's splitting things up.
And boom, just like that, you get perfectly organized columns. No more cutting and pasting.
All right, next up, summarizing data. Forget the old way of building pivot tables. There's something better. It's called GROUPBY. This function builds a whole summary table with just one formula. It's so fast.
So how's it work? You just pick your rows, the values you want to sum up, and that's it. And look at that, a perfect summary, and it even adds the headers for you. So smart.
Last one. Let's get this data organized. Pay attention to these column numbers. You'll need them. The sort function is a game changer. It makes a new, perfectly sorted version of your data. The setup is a breeze. Just select your data, give it the column number, and pick the order. And there you go. Your entire table is sorted dynamically. Talk about a time saver, right? So that's your new toolkit. These 3 are going to make your life so much easier. So now you know the secrets. What's the first tedious task you're going to automate with these?